You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? These emojis combined, the cross mark first and then the circle, represent mean a loved one's hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses. The big red cross emoji, it's warning, errors, but combined with the circle, it means hugs and kisses. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.